Welcome to Review Source. Today, we're covering the best wire strippers, chosen for their reliability, ease of use, accuracy, and real-world performance. We have selected options ranging from heavy-duty forged pliers for professionals to self-adjusting tools, perfect for the weekend DIYer. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First on our list is the KNIPEX FWSA08, commonly known as the 13728 Forged Wire Stripper. Unlike stamped tools that flex under pressure, this features a forged steel body designed for heavy-duty daily use. It covers 10 to 20 AWG and includes locating ridges on the jaws, allowing you to find the right stripping hole by feel alone. A standout feature is the screw cutting mechanism. It shears 632 and 832 screws cleanly without requiring you to thread them first, which is a massive time saver. KNIPEX uses high-grade special tool steel, oil-hardened in multiple stages to ensure the edges stay razor-sharp even after cutting thousands of wires. Users consistently rate this as a buy-it-for-life tool. Feedback suggests the shear cutting blades slice through NMB and MC cable with significantly less effort than competitors. While the price is higher than average, professionals report that the precision and the ability to shorten screws without damaging threads make it indispensable for electrical reference.
Next up is the Klein Tools 11063W, widely known as the Catapult. This is a compound action stripper, meaning a single squeeze grips the wire and removes the insulation in one smooth motion. It is built on a cast alloy chassis with a heavy-duty E-coat finish, making it incredibly resistant to corrosion in harsh environments. It strips 8 to 20 AWG solid and 10 to 22 AWG stranded wire, removing up to an inch of jacket layer in a single step. The blue and black handles are not just for branding, they are designed for maximum leverage, allowing the mechanical advantage of the tool to do the work rather than your hand muscles. User reviews highlight the tension-loaded grip, which holds cable geometry without crushing it, a common issue with cheaper automatic strippers. Electricians often praise its reliability for production work, noting that it reduces hand fatigue during repetitive tasks like panel wiring. It's described as a tank, slightly heavier than manual pliers, but built to withstand years of job site abuse without losing calibration.
Moving on to number 3, we have the Wirefy Automatic Wire Stripper. This tool solves the problem of constantly checking wire gauges. It utilizes a self-adjusting mechanism that automatically adapts to strip wires ranging from 24 down to 10 AWG. It operates as a 3-in-1 multi-tool, featuring a built-in wire cutter and a crimper for insulated and non-insulated terminals located between the handles. It eliminates the need to carry multiple tools, as the induction-hardened cutting edge stays sharp longer than standard carbon steel found in generic alternatives. The most praised feature in user feedback is the adjustable plastic stop. This allows you to set a precise stripping length, ensuring every wire in a series is exposed to the exact same measurement, perfect for keeping switch boxes neat. While some users note it lacks the raw cutting power of the KNIPEX for thick cables, the consensus is that for automotive work and projects with mixed wire sizes, the self-adjusting convenience is unbeatable.
At number 4 is the Haisstronica HS-8327 Stripper and Crimping Tool. While many tools treat crimping as an afterthought, this unit prioritizes it. It is specifically engineered for creating professional-grade connections with heat shrink connectors. The tool covers a range of 22 to 10 AWT and features a precise ratcheting mechanism that ensures a complete cycle. The jaws won't release until the perfect amount of pressure is applied. The jaws are color-coded, making it easy to match the connector size to the correct crimp slot instantly, preventing errors during complex wiring harnesses. Feedback from boat owners and automotive enthusiasts is overwhelmingly positive regarding the crimp quality. Users report that it creates watertight, vibration-resistant seals that don't pull loose, which is critical for marine environments. The ergonomic nylon handles are designed for non-slip comfort, and while the stripping function is standard, the ratcheting crimper is frequently cited as the reason this tool earns a spot in professional tool bags.
Finally, we have the Knoweasy D3A upgraded wire stripper. This is a lightweight, versatile option constructed from steel strips reinforced with fiberglass nylon. It stands out for its ability to handle extremely fine wires, with a range extending from standard 7 AWG all the way down to 32 AWG. This makes it particularly useful for electronics repair, speaker wiring, and delicate hobby projects where standard strippers might tear the conductor. The ergonomic handle is molded to fit the hand naturally, reducing strain during long sessions of stripping fine-gauge wires for circuit board repairs. Users appreciate the upgraded self-adjusting jaws, which they find surprisingly gentle on ribbon cables and fragile insulation. Although the manufacturer warns against cutting steel with it, DIYers praise its performance on copper and aluminum. It is widely considered the best value-for-money option for homeowners who need a reliable tool for occasional repairs without investing in industrial-grade equipment. And that wraps up the top 5 best wire strippers. We hope this comprehensive guide helps you find the perfect tool to make your electrical projects cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Whether you need the brute strength of the KNIPEX for daily professional use or the versatility of the Wirefy for home repairs, there is a solution here for every toolbox. Taking the time to choose the right stripper now will save you hours of frustration on your next job.